Have you ever felt like you're in the middle of a storm after a breakup? It's chaotic, emotional, and often overwhelming. But amidst the chaos lies one of the most powerful strategies to reclaim your peace and self-respect: the no contact rule. And today we'll explore the 5 clear signs that this rule is working in your favor, guided by the principles of Stoicism. Let's start with the most obvious sign. When you go silent, it creates a vacuum. Suddenly your absence becomes noticeable and their curiosity spikes. If they begin reaching out, whether it's through texts, calls, or even subtle social media interactions, it's a sign that your silence is making waves. But here's the Stoic twist. Your goal isn't to wait for their call. It's to use this silence to rediscover yourself. End quote. As time passes, you notice a shift within yourself. Those overwhelming feelings of heartbreak start fading. You're no longer consumed by the urge to check their social media or analyze every word they said. This emotional detachment is your power growing. It means you're regaining control over your emotions. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, and your emotions are entirely within your realm. Here's a beautiful sign. You begin to grow. You're spending your energy on things that truly matter: your hobbies, career, or health. Maybe you've started working out, reading more, or picking up a new skill. This transformation is a testament to the power of silence and self-discipline. In Stoicism, this is called eudaimonia, living in alignment with your true purpose. Silence can be louder than words. When you remove yourself from their life, they begin to notice what they've lost. Maybe they're hearing about your achievements from mutual friends or stalking your social media. Regardless, your absence is a statement that says, "I am enough." Stoicism reminds us, let your actions, or in this case your silence, speak louder than your words ever could. The final and most significant sign is this: you realize your own worth. You stop seeking validation from someone who couldn't see your value. Instead, you embrace your strengths, your growth, and your potential. This is the ultimate goal of the no-contact rule. Stoicism teaches us that self-respect is the cornerstone of a meaningful life. By valuing yourself, you inspire others to do the same. So there you have it, the 5 unmistakable signs that the no-contact rule is working. Remember, this isn't about games or revenge. It's about reclaiming your power, embracing your growth, and living in alignment with your true self. Breakups are tough. They leave us questioning everything: our worth, our actions, even our future. But what if I told you that the simple act of silence could turn the tables? The no-contact rule isn't just a strategy to win someone back. It's a profound way to reclaim yourself. Stick with me, and I'll reveal the 5 undeniable signs that this rule is working, backed by Stoic principles that will empower you to live better, not bitter. When you cut contact, it's like pressing the reset button. Your absence disrupts their routine, and they start to realize how much space you took in their life. Suddenly, they're sending texts like, "Hey, just checking in," or even liking old photos on your Instagram. But here's the key. Stoicism teaches us that their reaction isn't what matters most. What matters is your ability to maintain control over your own emotions. Are you ready to respond, or simply to continue focusing on yourself? The second sign is deeply personal. It's the moment you realize you're no longer checking your phone every 5 minutes. You're not consumed by what they're doing or who they're with. Instead, you're focused on your own journey. That emotional detachment is freedom. Marcus Aurelius once said, You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Your ability to detach shows you're on the path to true strength. Now this one is powerful. When you stop investing energy into someone who isn't investing in you, you open the door to personal growth. You start hitting the gym, pursuing that passion project, or even rediscovering old hobbies you once loved. Buddhism reminds us that every obstacle is an opportunity. This breakup, it's your chance to become the best version of yourself. Here's where it gets interesting. As you focus on your own growth, they can't help but notice your absence. Maybe it's through mutual friends, social media, or simply the silence in their day-to-day life. They start wondering, why haven't they called? What are they up to? That's when they realize what they lost. But Stoicism teaches us not to let this feed our ego. Instead, use it as a reminder that your absence has value. The question is, do you want to share that value again, or keep it for yourself? Finally, the most important sign. You realize that your worth doesn't depend on their validation. You've rediscovered your own identity separate from the relationship. You're standing tall, embracing your individuality, and living life on your terms. Epictetus once said, "Know first who you are, and then adorn yourself accordingly." The no-contact rule has helped you strip away the noise and remember your true value. That's the ultimate win. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but no contact is hard. You're right, it's not easy. But here are a few Stoic-inspired tips to help you stay strong. Focus on daily improvement. Set small, achievable goals every day. Avoid triggers. Unfollow their social media. Remove their reminders and create a space for healing. 2. Practice gratitude. Reflect on the things in your life that bring you joy and peace. Seek support. Talk to friends. Join a community, or even journal your thoughts. Visual idea. Quick clips of someone journaling, smiling with friends, and working out. So there you have it, the 5 undeniable signs that the no-contact rule is working. Remember, this isn't about revenge or games. It's about reclaiming your peace, rediscovering your value, and stepping into the best version of yourself. If you found value in this video, hit the like button to support the channel, subscribe for more Stoic insights, and share your no-contact journey in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.